Hello. So you have already gone through my video on CUET 2022, and in case you don't have the video link, I have given it in the description box, and also you can find the video link on the info card. In today's video, I'll talk about CUET 2022 application form fill up process. I'll guide you through step by step in this video, so watch the video till the end so that you don't make any mistake during the CUET 2022 application form fill up. And at the end of the video, I'll speak to you again on CUET 2022 on important reminders. So now I'll take you through a quick tour of how to fill up the application form for CUET UG 2022 examination. You have to directly come to CUET UG 2022 portal, which is cuet.summer.ac.in, and there the first step is new registration, where you have to click on the register button for the fresh registration for the CUET UG 2022 examination. And in the step 2, you should read the information bulletin carefully before applying to the CUET UG 2022 examination. And then you have to click that you have understood every details and start the new registration. In the step 3, you will be taken to registration form, where you have to fill up your personal details like your name, your mother's name, your father's name. And in the next step, you have to put your present address detail, that is where do you reside, what is your communication address. And in the next step, after filling up of the address, you have to choose the password. Now after you give the password, there also applicant have to fill in the security pin, which will be shown automatically by the system, and then you have to submit the required details for the registration. Now in the step 4, the preview of the personal details will come. You can preview and verify the personal details and can click on the submit and send OTP to the mobile button to proceed further. And then applicant can also edit the details by click on the edit registration details. So if you have done any mistake or error, edit the registration details, correct it, and then submit and send OTP to the mobile. Then verification of OTP, each applicant has to complete the OTP verification process. The OTP will be registered will be received on the registered mobile number or email ID of the applicant, where you have to enter the OTP and you have to submit. Now applicant will receive application form number after successful verification of OTP on their registered mobile number and email ID. And applicants are advised to note the application form number for the future reference. This is very important, so keep this application form number with you, and in the next step you have to log in. And after successful OTP verification, you can log in by using the application form number which has been generated by the system, and with the password you have given. And after you have generated that password, after you have logged into the system, you have to press the button continue the application. Now you have to complete the application, and you should look into the quick link for account actions like application. On the left panel you can find out quick link where you have to verify your mobile number and also email ID. Mobile is of course verified, and email ID also you have to verify, and you have to complete the application form with other personal details and click save to complete the application form, like your name, your present address, and then as I told you, like are you which category you are from, which is a general category, what is your permanent address. All these will come and which quota you are applying for, that also will be there. And then if you want to go back or correct your details, you can go back, or else you can continue, and once you enter the complete details, you can update, and you can preview and update the personal details by clicking update personal forms, or may proceed to the next section. And in the next step, there will be also the education details, like which class, which of the qualifying exam you are giving, which year did you complete. All these details, along with the school name, board name, roll number, every details, it has to be submitted over there regarding class 10 and class 12th. And you have to fill up the matriculation and 10th and intermediate 12th academic qualifications, and click on the save button to continue. And then you can modify if you want to update your educational qualification. Then you have this update educational form, that part, and you can update in case you want to have changed some error if you have made, so you can change on that part. In the step 9, you have to apply to the university or the program selection section, where you have to understand that which of the university you are applying for and which of the course you are applying for, and you have to look into this university program and selection preview, and you have to move on to the next section. And you can update the program form by clicking on the update program form button. Which of the programs you are considering from which university, you can keep on adding. And then test subject, in the next step you have to do the next test paper or subject selection, and you have to see that which of the corresponding paper or the subject you have to select for that particular university, and for that you have to particularly go into that preferred university website. And then after the selection, you can update the paper, test paper and subject selection, and as per the rule. And in next step, you can select for preference of the examination center based on the details of their preference, and click the save button to proceed further. Now in the step 12, in the upload section, you have to upload all the supporting documents of yours. So applicants, you have to upload the supporting documents for the details mentioned in the application. The delete button is provided out there if you have wrongly uploaded any photo, signature or the documents of the applicant. So that part is also there. And then you have to look into, once all the files are uploaded, you can proceed to the preview section and see all this your documents have to be are okay or not. And then once all the details are verified, check all the uploaded documents using the view button in the uploaded scanned file section, and particular checklist also is there to be verified. Click on the check boxes if you have completed, and confirm your acknowledgement that you have completed all the details being furnished. And in the next step, read all the message before fee submission, that you have submitted all the details. Then step 15 will be like you have to confirm your email ID before payment of the examination fees. And examination fees payment can be online, and there will be definitely this bank gateways will be there which you can select, and then examination fees will be automatically fetched on the basis of the test paper selection. And then you have to move forward, and then you have to print the confirmation page after the payment and keep this for the future reference. So this is how the sample paper of the application form looks like. So right now you know the CUET 2022 application process step by step. So make sure you don't make any mistake while filling up application form of CUET 2022, starting from the spelling check of your name, starting from selection of your caste, your gender, your date of birth. Make sure it is 100% error proof, and prepare yourself well for CUET 2022, because that can get you to the dream department of the central universities. In case if you require any help on syllabus or on any of the technical issues in CUET 2022, please feel free to get in touch with me on the number right now shown on the screen. And also I have created a query form. The link has been in the description box. Please feel free to get in touch with Apna College team, and we will do our best to sort your queries. All the best.